Want to create and sell clothes in Roblox for real money? Here's how you can get started and start making a profit. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Create a Roblox account and join Roblox Studio. First, if you haven't already, create a Roblox account. Then open Roblox Studio, the platform's tool for creating games and items like clothes. Step 2. Learn the basics of clothing design. To make clothes, you'll need some basic design skills. Use programs like Photoshop, GIMP, or Paint.net to create your designs. Make sure to follow the template sizes for shirts, pants, and other clothing items, which you can find on the Roblox website. Step 3. Upload your clothes to Roblox. Once you've created your design, you'll need to upload it to Roblox. Go to the Create section on Roblox's website, click on Shirts or Pants, and upload your image file. Make sure to give it a catchy name and description. Step 4. Set a price. You can set a price for your clothes, and once they're uploaded, people can buy them using Robux. To convert Robux into real money, you'll need to be part of the Roblox Developer Exchange program, DevEx. If this is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Step 5. Join the Developer Exchange program. To earn real money, join the DevEx program. You need at least 100,000 Robux to exchange for real currency, and you'll also need a verified email address and a valid ID for security. Step 6. Promote your clothes. To increase your sales, promote your clothes through social media, groups, or by collaborating with other Roblox creators. The more visibility your designs get, the more likely they are to sell. And that's how you create and sell clothes on Roblox for real money. Start designing, upload your creations, and join the DevEx program to cash out your Robux. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.